There's been huge advances in manufacturing technology with 3D printers, whether they're plastic or metal, and the materials and things that they're coming out with are fantastic. We had purchased a 3D scanner, knowing that our aircraft are so old, we could not find any one of these parts. And in this particular instance, we ended up scanning the entire model or the part, and then we modeled it, and then after that we programmed it and then machined it. This particular piece, it's a mount, and the mount's used to stabilize the rudder on the back of the airplane. In the past, when we ran into this issue, we typically always were able to find drawings or another part off of an older airplane that we could still salvage and use. And without being able to 3D scan it, we would have had to try to hire an outside source, which would have been very expensive, or we would have had to get the plane down to tinker, and it would have sat there until they had time to work through it. This particular job took us about 3 months from when it was broke until we finally had the plane fixed. In between there was the reverse engineering, the coordinating with the engineers. Going forward, you know, if a base had a 3D metal printer, that would have probably been cut down to about a month and a half. We're getting a new group of airmen in that are younger, look at things differently, which is great. So they look at how to solve a problem differently than somebody like me that's been in for 20 plus years.